how to change the brake light bulb. You need a screwdriver. You have to put the screw out. Then you come in here and you have to put this one here out. Okay. You have to put it up. Change like that. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.